Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you a super simple recipe for shredded chicken that you can make in your Instant Pot or your slow cooker, and you can use it in a variety of ways for lunches and dinners all week. I'm Stacey, nutritional therapy practitioner and owner here at Gut Check Nutritional Therapy. Today is all about your basic shredded chicken. This is something that you can use in a variety of ways throughout the week, and I'm going to teach you how to do it in your Instant Pot, or if you don't have one of these gizmos, a crock pot will totally work just fine. So, basic shredded chicken, you have a big mound of it in the fridge, and then you can just pick at it throughout the week. You can add some avocado or some mayonnaise, put it into a sandwich. You can add some barbecue sauce and have barbecued pulled chicken. You can add some salsa or pico de gallo to it and put it in tacos. You can throw it into some soup. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started. All we need for this recipe is some chicken breast, some salt and pepper, and about a half a cup to a cup of water. So you can do up to 4 pounds of chicken breast. I've got boneless, skinless here, but you can do up to 4 pounds and make this huge amount of shredded chicken for your family. So all we're gonna do is just sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on each one. I just have 3 chicken breasts here because I've got a lot of this in my fridge already. And then a little pepper, and you can use, you can put in some garlic salt or some garlic powder or oregano, whatever you like. And then you're just gonna take your lid off your Instant Pot, and I'm gonna put some water in the bottom there. Like I said, about a half a cup to a cup. You just always have to have liquid in your Instant Pot. And then I'm just gonna put the chicken breast in there at the bottom, and I don't have the rack in there or anything. It's just straight up in the stainless steel pot. And then I'm just gonna put the lid on, and I'm gonna set it to sealing on the top. There's a little knob here. Set it to sealing, and you guys, the Instant Pot comes already pre-programmed. You have to push one button, and it's the poultry button right here on the side. They all have it. Hit the poultry button. It takes a couple seconds to kind of just say, are you sure, are you sure? And it'll beep in just a second. So if you're doing this in your crock pot, all you have to do is set it to low, cook for about 4 to 6 hours. Now it's telling me it's done. Crock pot, set it on low 4 to 6 hours, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so the timer went off, so all we have to do is release the pressure. And then with the Instapot, I don't know if you guys know, but there's a little button here on the top, so once all the pressure has been released, the button goes down and it's safe to take the lid off. So it'll just take a couple seconds to get all the pressure off, and then we will pull the chicken out. So the pressure has been released. I'm just gonna remove the lid, and I'm gonna pull my chicken out, plop it in my bowl here, and then we will start shredding. Look, it's already starting to fall apart. It is so tender. So I'm just gonna use 2 forks. I'm just gonna start shredding this. But if this is too labor intensive for you, and this really is just falling apart, I have a little trick. You can actually use your handy dandy little hand mixer, and it'll shred it right up. Super simple. So here's our finished product, you guys. A huge amount of shredded chicken that is a great foundation just to keep in your fridge at all times. So like I said before, I like to take this for lunch. I'll eat it cold with some avocado that I kind of smush up into it. I'll throw it in a tortilla. My husband likes to pour some barbecue sauce over it, or maybe some salsa. We turn it into tacos. I'll throw this whole thing into a big batch of soup with a bunch of veggies and broth. I mean, the possibilities are completely limitless. So this is a great thing to keep in your fridge. Put it in an airtight container in your fridge. It'll stay fresh for 4 or 5 days. You'll be good to go. So be sure to like, love, and share this video, and we'll see you guys next week.